Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Vartika. So my today's video is dedicated for the people who are going to college very soon. I know a lot of people, some of them are my friends who have already started going to college and have started traveling abroad, which is honestly so exciting. And others like me are waiting for the flights and the embassy and the visa to start functioning soon so that we can travel and go to our colleges. And so I thought that this is going to be a very essential video because most of us face a lot of confusion regarding what to pack for college and what not to pack for college. So I thought, why not make a video on this? So yeah, without any further delay, let's get to the video. So I have categorized all the things under different heads, and we will be going one category at a time. Alright, so the first category that I will be dealing with is bedding, because it's the most essential one and probably the smallest category. Okay, so the things that come under this category are comforter, sheets, mattress topper, because probably the mattresses that you're going to get in your dorm rooms are not going to be very comfortable, and pillows and pillowcases, throw blankets. Alright, so the next category is bath and toiletries. So the things that I have under this category are flip-flops, shower caddy, towels, loofah, shampoo and conditioner, body wash or soap, lotion and sunscreen, toothbrush and toothpaste, face wash, nail cutters and nail file, nail polish remover, makeup remover, tweezers, feminine products like razor, epilator, sanitary napkins, basic first aid and medications, which is very important. We often tend to forget this, but we should make sure we have this with us all time. Then hairbrush, cotton balls or cotton pads, then sanitizing wipes or sanitizer. Especially in today's time, we should make sure that we always have a sanitizer handy. Alright, so the next category is grooming. Now this is a very personal category, and the things that are to be carried depends on person to person. So I will be listing a few basic things which I think are important for us to carry. Okay, so these include your hair care, skin care, nail polish remover, makeup remover, hair clips, hairspray, accessories. Yeah, I think. Alright, so the next category is electronics. This category includes phone and charger, laptop and charger, your power bank or portable charger, adapter, extension cords, power strips, lamps, especially if you have the habit of studying at night, earbuds or headphones, speaker, air purifier or aromatherapy diffuser or humidifier. I really think you are going to need this in your room, especially if you don't have windows in your room or something, so it kind of gets very stuffy, and these things come in handy a lot. Then hair straightener or curler and hair dryer. And then there are three things which are completely optional and depends on the kind of campus you are in. They are a TV, fan and a printer. If you have a printer in your campus and it is easily accessible, so I don't think you will be needing it in your room, but a lot of people prefer having their own small printer, so yeah, you can keep that. Okay, so the next category is storage. Now I'm sure that most of us are going to live on campus at least for the first year, and it is very common that rooms that are there in the hostel are pretty small, and that too you are supposed to share it with other people mostly. So yeah, it is very important to have a proper system of storage so that you can keep as much as you can in your room without creating a chaos. So yeah, there is a list of things which I have which you can use and get to your dorm room so that you can organize everything in a systematic way. So yeah, these things include drawer and bedside organizers, shoe rack, jewelry organizer, laundry basket or bag, underbed storage, extra cabinets if your cabinets that are provided by the college are small, small drawer organizers, desk organizers, hangers, stationery stand or cup, storage. Okay, so the next category is cleaning, which is a very important category. It's really important to maintain hygiene, especially when you are living on campus, in a hostel, in a shared space. So the things that which I have under this category are dish soap and sponge, laundry detergent, stain remover, toilet cleaner, disinfectant wipes, air freshener, hand soap, and a mini vacuum if you need. Alright, so the next category is eating, and I am not going to include the things you should keep for the purpose of eating, because obviously that depends on person to person and your personal preferences. So I'll be including things which are needed for the process of eating, I guess, or whatever. Okay, anyway, let's get to the list. A mini fridge, a microwave, which comes in very handy, especially when you want to eat things like cup noodles or something at night. So yeah, that's pretty good. Electric kettle, another very important thing. Basic cutlery. Mostly people do not keep a lot of cutlery in their rooms because that's not really needed. But yeah, keeping some basic cutlery is kind of nice, so that you can have a late night snack at in your room, or perhaps if you get something from outside and you feel like eating it somewhere in your room. So yeah, it's good to have basic cutlery. Then plates and bowls, mugs, ziploc bags, very essential. Water bottle, very essential. Paper towels and Tupperware if you need. Alright, so this next category is my favorite category, decor. I honestly am obsessed with dome room decor, and I am so looking forward to decorating my room. I am so excited for that. So yeah, I have kept this category in the list as well. But yeah, again, since everybody has different choices, everybody has a different kind of room, and we want to make a different amount of effort to decorate our room. So yeah, I have listed only some basic things which almost everyone can keep in their room, but yeah, it depends on person to person, and the list is, if we actually start writing the things, then it's an infinitely long list. So yeah, your room is going to be a very personal space, so you can decorate it any way you want. I am just including some very basic things which are going to be a lifesaver. Okay, so first I have rugs or carpet, which is pretty essential. I mean, we all have it in our rooms at house, so why not in our dorm rooms. Then full length mirror, very essential. Makeup mirror, picture frames and grids to keep pictures of your loved ones. Then map or posters, fairy lights, oh my god, they are gorgeous. Tapestry, throw pillows, fake or real plants. I mean, if you're a lazy bum, so obviously you can keep fake plants. Otherwise, a real plant, or perhaps succulents, they're going to be so pretty, and they'll give a really nice look to your room and positive vibes as well. So yeah, these were the things which I had under. Alright, so the next category is school supplies. After all, we're going there to study. Okay, so this includes books, notebooks, pencil and pens, highlighters, especially if you have the habit of making notes. Then punching machine, it comes in very handy when you are making file projects. Then planner, very essential. To-do list, tape or glue, stapler, binder, scissors, sticky notes, and a calculator. Calculators are saviors when you are in college, so make sure you have a great calculator. Alright, so the next category is a miscellaneous category. I mean, there are things which I did not really understand where to put, so I have made a category called the miscellaneous category and put all these things under this. So yeah, I have command strips here, mini steamer, especially if you have to wear formal wear frequently. Then umbrella, external hard drive or USB, batteries, credit, debit, health cards, then casual and a dressy bags, because it often happens that we need to carry books or something or the other in college regularly, so you do need a casual bag and a dressy bag perhaps if you want to go to a party, or you have like a formal day, something like that. So yeah, a dressy bag or a formal bag is a good pick. Alright guys, that's the end of the list. I tried to make sure that I include at least all the basics that we all need in college, and I just hope I did not miss out on anything. But yeah, obviously I did not include clothes. Yeah, I had to mention this. I did not include the clothing section because obviously that is something that is very very personal. It is it depends from person to person. I mean, we have different clothing choices and everything, and of course we all know what we need to carry. We know we have to carry undergarments, we know we have to carry daily college wear, or we have to carry formal wear for some special occasions or presentation days or anything like that. So I don't think that was anything that was worth including. So yeah, I'm sure everybody knows what has to be there in that category. Anyhow, that's the end of the video. I hope I was useful. So I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and